morning! Good morning mga palangga. I cannot figure out. Oh yeah, it's a bird. Yan oh. It's a bird. What kind of bird is this, sweetheart? Han?
Sparrow.
Sparrow?
Yeah. That's one on top of the kennel as well.
Nandoon din siya sa top ng kennel. Oh, you cannot see it, but it's right there. It's a nice morning.
Yeah, certainly. I'm sweating.
Hello! Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! So, nakapajama pa din ako. Yung oras dito is 9:45 ng umaga. So, gusto ko lang mag-intro. May mga ginagawa lang talaga ako. Nai-stress na ako mga palangga. Lunchtime na dito mga palangga. Yes, lunchtime na. And I still have my pajamas. Hindi pa rin ako nagpapalit. To be honest, I am under the weather kasi last night, nagising ako about 3:45 in the morning. I have a cold sweat and yung tiyan ko sumasakit. And I feel so nauseous, and then I just have to go in the kitchen, get a warm drink with lemon, and then after niyan ano lang,
Johnny came to the rescue.
No, you did not.
What is wrong, my princess?
Nakaupo lang ako doon sa kama while umiinom ako sa hot drink ko, and then that's it. I feel so sick, and yun, nag-vomit na ako.
Feeling like a dog.
Yeah, I don't know why. Something must upset me yesterday, isn't it? So, I don't know. I don't know what's happening. But I'm okay now. Nandun si Mr.
1 hour later.
Pupunta muna tayo sa workshop. Are you ready? Ready na ba kayong makita yung lips ko? Sobrang pula niya. Trip ko lang. Hindi ko kasi masyadong nagagamit tong lipstick na to. And ayaw ko naman siyang masayang. So, ayun, gamitin natin paminsan-minsan kasi sa trabaho, hindi ko to nagagamit kasi nahihiya ako pag ito yung ginagamit ko kasi sobrang pula. Maganda yung panahon, pero yung hangin malamig. Diba, girls? Kailangan natin pumunta sa workshop kasi si Mr. nakalimutan kong magdala ng gloves. Si Mr. kailangan niya ng tulong. So, let's see what I can do. Look, grabe yung motorsiklo, uy. So, kagabi, nag-frost pala. So, I am tempted to check our grapes kung ano na yung nangyari. Kasi yun na nga, sa vlog ngayon, nakita nyo na yung grapes natin namatay yung dahon. Come here. Right, mister, I am here. So, what can I do for you?
You want to put the floor in the back. The floor in.
So, we need to put the floor?
Yeah. It's,
Where it is?
well, basically it's a brand new floor, yeah, aluminium,
Yeah?
yeah, and what I've done, I've sealed it to protect it from underneath, because this is underneath on the outside of the car.
Mm-hmm.
These are seatbelt anchorage points are these, so but what we're going to do is to guide, well I'll lift it in, you'll be at one end of the vehicle, and you just hold up so these don't go anywhere, and I will get under the vehicle and lower them down into it. So
Okay.
if you see when you look at it,
Oh, I see. Oh, honey, look.
yeah, It's coming off, Ellie.
Oh, is it? Is it supposed to be like that?
It's protective covering.
Right, okay.
It'll be bright and shiny when I take it off.
Oh, okay. Don't touch anything yet.
Protection, that's all.
Okay, right. Are we ready?
Right, what I want you for, hang on. Yeah, sorry, I'll take it over.
No, put it back and then I'll...
No.
You alright?
Very light.
Very light. So,
Open that door.
open this door. Whoa. That's it?
Right, you need to get inside here.
Okay, inside here.
Here.
Right, okay. I'll just gonna place the camera. Right, you can see us now, mga palangga.
Pack your bags. I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I want it to be here by my side. My tropical love.
And that's it. I'll give you the up-close look, mga palangga. So, ito siya. So, ito na yung update sa ating Range Rover. Yun na, tapos na tayo, mga palangga. Babalik na ako sa loob ng bahay. So, ito na naman tayo. Guess what, mga palangga, kung ano yung oras dito. Kaka 4 o'clock pa lang ng hapon. So, alam nyo na. Daytime. So, meron tayong leftover na ano dito, shepherd's pie. And sabi ko kay Mr., he will have the shepherd's pie and ako, magra-rice ako. Kasi yun na nga. Last night, I wasn't feeling well and ewan ko, nag-crave lang ako ng rice. Hindi ko alam. But at least naman, okay na naman ako. Hindi na ako nagsusuka. Last night talaga, parang pagising ko, 3:45 ng umaga, I feel like I gonna pass out talaga. Kasi yung paningin ko sobrang dilim, but I have to come on now. Kailangan kong pumunta sa toilet kasi kung hindi, nako, mapupupup ako sa aking ano. Alam niyo na. Kailangan ko lang itanong kay Mr. kung ano yung gusto niya sa kanyang shepherd's pie kasi medyo madami yung shepherd's pie. Merong kausap, mga palangga. Yan. I don't know if you can see him, but he's right behind the door. Tingnan niyo. Hello, Phoebe, Pipa. Right. I am here to ask, what would you like with your cottage pie? Just...
I'll have a gravy.
Yeah, and that's it?
This is what you say. I'll have a gravy. I'll have... That's probably enough, darling.
Yeah, that's enough. More than enough.
Don't do it just yet.
Okay, then I'll just make my tea
Yeah,
then.
because Chris is coming up.
Yeah, what time? So, narinig niyo naman si Mr. na gravy lang daw kasi enough na, uy. I think naman, I'm pretty sure na enough na to. Tingnan nyo. Half of the cottage pie. So, okay na yan, uy. So, ito yung kakainin natin. Ito yung pork. And meron tayong lumpia dito. So, magsasaing muna ako.
Time is it? I'm going to have some coffee while I'm waiting. You don't want it, do you? There's always favouritism going on, I've noticed with this.
There's no
Look at the
favoritism.
favouritism. Look, I get the shepherd's pie.
Well, I can have the shepherd's
She
pie.
gets the steak.
No, it's not the steak.
The most finest steak. Aberdeen Angus.
No, it's not. Somebody said, this one. Yung hinugas mo daw sa bigas. This is good for the orchids. I don't know how true it is, but I will try. I'm not drinking it. I'm giving it to the orchids. Huh? Then it kills the orchid. I'm really gonna get a rice cooker, man.
No, they're rubbish, you know.
They're not rubbish. How do you know that they're rubbish?
Yes, there's rice in them. They're not same as your professionally,
No.
professionally cooked rice.
I will get a rice cooker. So, i-turn on na natin. Dalawa yung pan ang nakalabas ngayon kasi ito, gagamitin ko siya for the pork. Nandito naman, gagamitin ko sa ating lumpia. Hindi na ako magdi-deep fry sa lumpia kasi last time naman, nakita nyo naman siguro, last time ako nagprito ng lumpia. So, yung lumpia natin, it burst open talaga. So, I just gonna do what I think it's right. I just gonna do my normal way, which is shallow frying. Nandito na yung kaibigan ni Mr. Mga Palangga. Kaya kung naririnig nyo si Fipa, tumatahol siya. Alam nyo ba, gusto ko lang itong i-share sa inyo ha. Don't get me wrong, but particularly sa kaibigan niya na yan, siya, ayaw ko makapag-usap sa kanila mga palangga kasi nahihiya ako. Don't get me wrong ha, they are very friendly, sobrang friendly nila, sobrang bait nila. Pero ako yung nahihiya minsan kasi the way he speak, the way na magsalita siya, sobrang, ano yung tawag nila? Posh English. Hindi ko sila naiintindihan mga palangga kasi sobrang social magsalita. And of course, hindi ko naman mabiblame kasi meron talagang kaya sa buhay. Kaya pag kinakausap niya ako, palagi ko na lang sinasabi, sorry, I can't understand you. I really apologize. Nahiya ako. Kaya ayun, pag nandito siya, nagtatago ako. Ito na yung rice natin. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng mantika kasi yung pork natin, meron naman tong mga taba-taba. Itong si Pipa, naku, makatahol. Parang hindi niya kilala yung tao. I cannot blame Pipa naman kasi yung kaibigan ni Jen, meron siyang kasama yung anak niya. So, Pipa is just doing her job. Kasi yun na nga, stranger yung anak niya. First time niya nakita. So, yun na nga. Manunusbid ka talaga pagkausap mo sila mga palangga. Well, ako, nanunusbid talaga ako. Hindi ko kaya makipag-usap kasi sobrang, ano talaga, social makipag-usap. And hindi naman ako sanay sa ganyan. Uy, naku, nahihiya ako. Alam niyo naman ako na sobrang simple lang talaga. Yung, ano nila ba, the way they talk is yung, ano ba yung tawag? Queen's English ba? Yung proper Queen's English na sobrang parang posh na posh. Maglalagay lang ako ng toyo. Actually, maglalagay ako ng kaunting ano rin, fish sauce. I don't know if you can see sa niluluto ko. Maglalagay din tayo ng kaunting toyo. So, ito na mga palangga, oh. Yan. Maglalagay lang ako ng paminta. Maglalagay ako ng counting onion powder. And yun lang. Hindi na ako siguro maglalagay ng asin kasi yung fish sauce and toyo, di ba, maalat na siya.
Sailors, it's just you and I, exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night.
So, dito naman, sa isang pan, turn on ko na siya mga palangga. Lalagyan ko na siya ng oil. Hihinaan ko lang yung apoy dito. Kasi, tingnan nyo na. Kasi tingnan nyo naman, sobrang sunog na niya. I apologize for the noise mga palangga kasi tinorn on ko yung exhaust fan natin kasi yung pork umuusok siya. Kaya baka mag-set off yung ating fire alarm. Ilalagay ko dito siya sa plate ni Mr. kasi kailangan na siyang i-microwave. Hindi kasi ito iikot sa microwave. Kaya kailangan talaga siya i-transfer.
On the beaches of Hawaii, drinks in my beer.
So, yan na. And yung mantika natin for the spring rolls, I'm pretty sure na sobrang init na niya. Yeah, mainit na siya mga palangga. Hihinaan ko lang ng konti. Or, I just gonna remove that from the heat. Kasi baka masunog agad yung ano natin, balumpia. Lalagay ko kayo dyan kasi baka matalsikan kayo. I'm not sure kung magtatagal ba sila dito kasi nandito pa din sila. Nag-social distancing naman sila.
Anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna.
So, ito siya.
See, be there in a heartbeat. Say the words and we can go. We've got just one life, baby.
So, I hope lang hindi sila puputok. So, nandito na si Mr. mga palangga. Umuwi na yung kaibigan niya. So, everything is ready. Mostly yung tea ko. Hinihintay ko na lang yung cottage pie. And we need gravy. So, ito yung tray ko. Looks good.
I believe you can so much.
Oh, what?
How much you got?
There's not a lot in that. I'm not gonna eat it all.
What's that?
Pork.
You're not going to eat it all? That's bone.
Here, some of that. It's not bone.